Right, next problem. Let us continue the sphere topic. Next sum. The radii of two spheres are in the ratio 3:5. The radii of two spheres are in the ratio 3:5. What is the ratio of their surface areas? Find the ratio of their surface areas. Here radii of two spheres is given in the ratio 3:5. So let radius of first sphere we have to suppose as 3x and radius of second sphere we have to suppose as 5x. Radius of two spheres are in the ratio 3:5. Let radius of the first sphere is 3x, radius of the second sphere is 5x. Now we should find the ratio of their surface areas. So surface area of first sphere by surface area of second sphere. Surface area of a sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square. Here radius is 3x. Surface area of the second sphere 4 pi r square, radius is 5x. We can cancel 4 pi, so we will get 9x square by 25x square. So the ratio of their surface areas is 9:25. Right, next one. The side of a cube is equal to diameter of a sphere. The side of a cube is equal to the diameter of a sphere. Find the ratio of their volumes. Find the ratio of their volumes. Here side of a cube is equal to diameter of the sphere. So let side of a cube we have to suppose as A. Therefore diameter of the sphere is also A, because they are equal. If diameter of the sphere is A, then radius is equal to half of the diameter, that is A by 2. Now we should find ratio of their volumes, that is volume of the sphere, volume of the cube by volume of the sphere. Ratio of their volumes you have to find out. Volume of the cube is given by the formula A cube. Volume of the sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here in place of r we can write A by 2. This 3 goes into numerator 3 into a cube by 4 pi into a cube by 4. Sorry, this is a square by 2 square is 4. This 4 you can cancel. Here a cube, a square will get cancelled. Sorry, this is cube only. It is a cube. This 3 goes into numerator by 4 pi into a by 2 whole cube is a cube by 8. 4 ones are 4 twos are a cube cancel. This 2 comes into numerator. 3 into 2 by pi, that is 6 by pi. So the ratio of their volumes is 6:5. Write the next problem. Find the surface area of a sphere whose radius is 14 centimeters. Here radius of the sphere is given as 14 centimeters. If you know the radius, then surface area of the sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square. So surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. 4 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 14, so 14 square. So it is 4 into 22 by 7. This is 14 into 14. 4 into 22 is 88. 14 into 2 is 28. So the answer is 2464 centimeters square. Right, fourth problem. From a cube of side 7 centimeters, a largest possible sphere is made. What is its volume? From a cube of side 7 centimeters, a largest possible sphere is made. What is its volume? Here this is a cube of side 7 centimeters. We have to make a sphere, largest possible sphere. So if you want a big sphere, the condition required is side of the cube should be equal to diameter of the sphere. This 7 centimeters is the maximum length it can give. So the side of the cube should be equal to diameter of the sphere. Then only we will get a maximum size sphere. So to get largest possible sphere, if you want largest possible sphere, side of the cube is equal to diameter of the sphere. So this is a cube of side 7 centimeters. Now we are converting into a sphere. If you want a big sphere, the side of the cube, this length should be equal to diameter. It can give maximum 7 centimeters only. So that length should be equal to diameter of the sphere. So height of the cube should be equal to diameter of the sphere. Side of the cube is 7 centimeters. Diameter of the sphere means twice the radius, 2 into r. Therefore, radius is equal to 7 by 2. If you know radius of the sphere, now we should find out volume of the sphere. So, volume of the sphere is equal to, formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, it is 4 by 3, pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 2 whole cube. So, it is 4 by 3, 22 by 7, 7 by 2 whole cube means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This 4 you can cancel with these 2. 7 we can cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s. This is 49 into 11 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is 3. So this is the volume of the largest sphere we can make from this cube. So if the cube side is 7 centimeters, if you want the largest possible sphere, if side of the cube is equal to diameter of the sphere, so side of the cube is 7 centimeters, diameter of the sphere is twice the radius 2r, so r value will get 7 by 2. If you know radius, volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, here you have to substitute. So the answer is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Right, next problem. The length of the equator on a globe is 88 centimeters. The length of the equator on a globe is 88 centimeters. Find the surface area. That means surface area of the sphere we have to find. So globe is like a sphere. On this sphere, equator will be, the length of the equator is nothing but, it is in the form of a circle. So its length is nothing but length of the circle. Length of the circle we call it as circumference of the circle. So length of the equator is equal to length of the circle. We call it as circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. Length of the equator is given as 88. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 88. Let us find out r. Let us make r as the subject. 88 into 7. This 2 into 22 comes in the denominator. 22 fours, 2 2s. So radius is equal to 14 centimeters. After getting radius 14 centimeters, now surface area of the globe, that is surface area of sphere. Surface area of the sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r square, 4 into 22 by 7, radius is 14 square. So 4 into 22 by 7, this is 14 into 14, 7 2s are 14, this is 88 into 28. So it is 2464 centimeters square. So length of the equator means length of the circle, because on a globe the equator will be in the form of a circle. So length of the circle we call it as circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r is 88. If 2 pi r is 88, we can find out r value, that is 14. After getting r value, surface area of the globe is nothing but surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square.
16.